When the moon's riding high on Manhattan and there's gold on the Hudson below, mid the glare and the lights of the city, I'm lonely, I'm longing for home, for I've seen all the sights here on Broadway. I've seen all the glitter and gold, and my heart calls me back to old Ireland, to the valley of sweet Harlow. When I sit with my thoughts in the gloaming, dreaming dreams of the long, long ago, of the glens of my own Tipperary, in the shadow of old Galtymore, I can see the blue mountains above me, the corn waving mellow and gold, the little green fields by the river, in the valley of sweet Harlow. I can count all the stars and the bridges down the road where the white thorn grows, and the little thatched home by the roadside where we sang round the fire long ago. And I pray that the Lord hear my pining, God grant that one day I'll go home to the glens and the streams of my childhood, in the valley of sweet Harlow.